I've got the solution for a disappearing nag. Hey Credos, today I want to tell you something that is going to be a little odd. You all know what silverware is. This is not magic. Knives, forks, spoons, basic stuff. But I have a particular set that I chose and I want to tell you why. We've been using this set in our home for about 5 years and there are some reasons. First of all, basic, sturdy stainless steel with a mirror finish. I love the very classic, elegant, simple styling of this. But here's the best thing of all. You can buy a whole set of place settings, or you can buy a set of just forks, or a set of just knives, or a set of just spoons. I do not know what's wrong with my family, but the teaspoon. The teaspoon is the problem in my house. They disappear. I have found some in cars, in bedrooms, in the backyard, but I have not found enough to keep the set consistent. And I didn't want to buy a whole new set of place settings. But with this set, I can just replace my teaspoons. This may not be a big deal to you. You may not have a spoon thief. But if you have a problem of a particular piece of your flatware always disappearing, this set that comes in sets or individually is a great solution. And it looks great too. Dishwasher safe, of course. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and ring that notification bell. You can also follow along on Instagram at Midlife Credo, and you can join the Midlife tribe on Facebook too, where we're thriving midlife without the crisis, but with lots of tasty treats in our spoons that have not disappeared.